Now this seat actually comes from another viewer who was kind enough to reach out as he is restoring a few bikes. He had some parts for me, and he knew by watching the videos and listening to what I had to say that I wasn't looking for a brand new seat cover for this bike. Again, I mentioned many times the patina on it. So this one is just the right amount of wear. It's nice enough, but it doesn't look brand new. There's actually like some rust and stuff in the material of the seat, which is interesting. So it has some character to it, but it's in very good shape. So this is going to be the perfect candidate for the bike. Now with this bike, the number one comment that I have got has been on the seat. Since day one, since I rolled it out of the barn, it's just been fix the seat, fix the seat, fix the seat, do the seat, repair the seat. You know you can get seat covers for those things. Fix the seat. That seat looks terrible. Fix the seat. It's going to dry rot or it's going to get wet. Don't ride in the rain. It's going to get wet. You're going to ruin the seat. The seat's going to soak. You're going to ruin the foam. Fix the seat. Alright, but I'm coming at you from the future, from when this video was originally made. And I originally had a different clip in this exact spot. I think I was a little too spicy in it, okay? Basically, I had just been a little bit fed up with all of the comments on the seat. And in my opinion, all of those comments were just looking for a flaw in something, looking for anything negative. And there was such a big focus on the seat where I was just trying to focus on getting the bike running and riding and sorting the mechanicals, because that's the important part. I don't care if the seat's, torn or anything like that. It wasn't any less comfortable. It didn't have any less functionality. It just aesthetically looked a little bit crummy. Like, I get it, but at the same time, what I'm looking at when I see this bike is so much positive. I glance at it and I'm like, man, that thing was in a barn. It has been brought back. I see the scratches on the tank, and I'm like, this thing has a story to tell. This thing is cool. I'm just glad it's out here. I'm glad it's on the road. And this thing brings me a lot of joy. Like, this bike specifically just brings me a ton of joy. I enjoy riding it. I ride it every single day now. And I don't know, it's kind of strange because so many people seem to they just seem to focus on the negative, glance over everything that I've done, and they point out the seat because that's the biggest thing they can see. Case in point, I shared a photo on my Instagram of me with the new seat. And within 1 minute, I had somebody who had sent me a message and be like, "Oh, great! Now you can fix the missing kickstart rubber." Immediately, that person had moved on and was looking for the next flaw, the next thing wrong, instead of again looking at all of the things that are right. And I'm just going back to that thinking. It's been a frustrating thing this whole time, just with, again, so much emphasis on the seat. So I know I'm a little bit salty, and I kind of wanted to backtrack on that clip and just interject this one instead. But I appreciate all you guys who care about this bike. Lay off the seat a little bit. It's done. I know I'm being sassy, but I just think there's a better way of looking at things in a positive light. So that's my 75 cents on it. Now this mount back here is a little bit tweaked. I had kind of hammered this edge out, had been dropped. Not a big deal. We have another one. So pull this off the other pan. Should be good to go. This one looks straight. Little tweaked. While we're thinking of it. Are y'all happy now? So we finally have a nice seat on this thing, and aesthetically, bike's done. Pretty happy with it. So just wanted to give a personal thank you to Rex and Todd. Those guys reached out to me and we worked a deal. I actually traded the not the factory exhaust, but the exhaust that was on here for this seat. And again, he's just been watching the channel and he knew exactly what I was after in regards to aesthetic. Again, not wanting something that was brand new. So really, thank you much. This is perfect. So with the seat done, aesthetically the bike is complete as I've mentioned. Runs, rides, goes down the road. It's just kind of a really reliable bike. I ride this thing every day. We haul parts that I sell on the rack and it's just awesome. So not really sure kind of what else is going to be changing with this thing. I have a few other things. I'm going to do a set of swing arm bushings on this. I bought some kibble white ones, as well as I have a new chain for it. So we'll do that in time, and then who knows, just a few other things on the list, I guess, and then we're just going to ride this thing and enjoy it. And if I want to tinker with it and stuff, I have plenty of different projects I can do with it. So really happy with this bike. But anyway, not really sorry for that little rant earlier. Just you guys got to have the right perspective on things. Look for the positive side, and look for the good in what you can find bad in, and that'll really change your outlook. So anyway, enough of me ranting. Hope you guys like this video. I'm sure you did, because we finally got the freaking seat on here. So yeah, check out some other videos on the bike if you haven't seen them already. Check out some other videos on the channel because I have plenty. And hit up the website. I have plenty of parts available, as well as like hats, t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, that kind of thing. So I'm going to end it off here. Hope you guys like this one. Hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.